me, Mustangrebuilder. Whew, it's windy out here, a little chilly and all, but today I'm going to do a quick review, and it's not a technical review, it's just to let you guys know what I've replaced my hearing protection with. Alright, I bought a new set off of Amazon. They're made by a company called ISOTUNES. I'll show you what I used to run, and I'll tell you if I like it or not. Alright, so hang around till I get back in the shop later, and I'll show all three of the things I've used for years. But I will tell you one thing. You see the big machine behind me? Okay? Whether you're in a body shop or a mechanic or running something that's loud, like this got a loud diesel on it, please wear hearing protection. I won't even run my machine. Way back when I had 25, a 252 gas motor deal, or even mowed or mowers and weed eaters, chainsaws, when I had a tree company, I'd always use hearing protection. Because you think, what the heck, I'm all right. Long-term exposure to it will affect you. And when you get to be my age, I'm going to be almost 60. I value my ears, okay? I know a lot of people with a lot of hearing problems now that used to operate machinery. Okay? And I was in the fire service, so we used to have hearing protection called Dave Clark headsets. And the company still exists, and when we got in the truck, we put them on. Old firemen that came on way before me, a lot of them were deaf, Anyway, hang on. When I get back to the shop and it's quieter and not windy, I'll show it to you. Back at the shop. This video is for body men, mechanics, the stump grinding guys, the tree guys, someone working outside their home or in their shop, a lot of equipment, grinders, whatever it is, mowing. I'm just going to give you a quick review of something. But before that, typically in all my videos, I give away stickers. Today's sticker we're giving away is a design my son made up. I changed the rules how to get rid of the stickers. I get rid of them, give them away. Okay, they cost me money, but you guys have done me the honor of watching the videos and giving me a lot of likes and all. If you see me stepping or wobbling, kind of look like I'm drunk or not, I'm not. I had a hip replacement. I'm staying on hard concrete, so I kind of got to move side to side a little bit to shift my body weight. Anyway, besides all that stuff, here's the deal. I changed the rules, all right? I'm using a computer-generated raffle to where the rules will be in the description, but you got to make a comment on the video. You have to put a like, thumbs up, and be a subscriber in order to win. Now, this one's a mechanic and not just a stump grinding video or a body shop video, right? So this one, the sticker is this one, the one that my son designed, all right? So, how it's given away is you have to make a comment, and you've got from today, which is Tuesday, you'll see the date that this video is posted. And you got till next Tuesday around midnight, so by Wednesday morning, okay? Then I put it into the computer, it generates 2 winners. It picks you by your comment. Not how long your comment is or what it's about, but just that you made a comment. Just make it positive, okay? So I was doing it by asking questions on Mustangs and all kinds of questions on paint and stuff, but I found some guys, they were at work when the video came up, or they were with their family, and so they couldn't answer it in time, and someone was beating them to it. This way the computer picks it, and the computer makes 2 choices, all right? On Sundays, I try to do stump grinding videos. That's for a different sticker. That's the Stump Grinding Mafia. And during the week, it'll be this sticker or the other ones that say my famous saying, remember, if you're not learning something new every day, you must be dead, okay? That deals with automotive. It deals with everything in life, okay? Remember that saying. Remember, if you're not learning something new every day, you must be dead. I try to, pass on a little knowledge. I'm an old guy. And you young guys, I appreciate you, and actually I love you guys to death. Those guys that served, I salute you. And if you have some type of missing limb or some kind of disability, you know what? Forget about it. Get up, go on. You got a family, prove it to them. You're still one tough son of a you-know-what. I can't curse. I'm not allowed to curse on this. All right. Anyway, about the headsets. When I started out, all right, stump grinding, it's very loud. They used to use gasoline engines on a lot of my first stump grinders. I'm standing right next to the engine, extremely loud, okay? I wore these. These are the 3Ms. You can get them, I guess they're like $44. These I found, they got AM, FM. I found that they last about 2 years, okay? So every 2 years I'd go out and get another set. And they're yellow, so I never used to lose them. And honestly, they're solid. You still find them today. I've been using them for years, okay? Then last year I changed up and went to the 3M that's got it's got AM, FM, and it's got supposedly Bluetooth to connect to your phone to listen. You know what? Don't waste your money on these. These are only 8 months old. The button stopped working. I think the first week, the flap that covers here fell off. You know, 3M makes good stuff, but I won't lie to you, the cheaper pair, the yellow one, just AM, FM, I'm telling you, it lasts me, this, forget about it. There you go. Now, I saw a video on this, so I bought these, all right? And then there's another reason I bought these. Whether you're in a body shop or in this shop or wherever you're at, my wife would call and I would miss calls because I'm running a grinder or DA or impact in here. So I bought these. These are ISOTUNES. I saw a good review on them. So I said, these are Bluetooth. They don't have AM, FM. They're just Bluetooth. And they connect to your phone and have a built-in noise reduction. I've tested it out. Been running stuff. My wife can't hear it. And she can actually hear me. I haven't missed any calls. When I'm running my stump grinder, a customer calls me, I can hit this button here and I can answer the call. I'm not missing calls. Same thing if you're a lawn guy or tree guy, whatever, you won't be missing calls. All right? So, calls are important. It's your business. Calls are important. My wife calls me out here and I don't answer. She starts getting worried about me since I had my hip replaced. Anyway, the price on these, I'm going to put a link on Amazon. I'm not sure. They're like $79 or whatever, but they're solid. The wire in here is thicker than the wire on these. The wire on these 3Ms tends to, after a while, fray, and you lose one channel on one side. This one had a fatter wire. This one on this Bluetooth one, I won't lie to you, it's a thin wire, and it already stopped playing in one ear. So last week I said, I'll treat myself, right? So I bought these. These fit a little tighter, so they're a little snugger, but I'm sure they'll loosen up in time, or I could loosen this up here. You don't have batteries in here, they have a lithium in here, but also you can pop that out and put regular batteries in. I think it's 3 AAAs, but I bought this. I've been running it 3 or 4 days, and I haven't charged it up. This is still the charge it came in the box with. All right, it pairs super easy. You press the button here and it pairs to your phone. So I thought I was at to read instructions and, you know, decipher stuff. It's old guy easy, okay? That's what I gotta tell you. Basically that's it. You know, there's detailed reviews on this about the decibels, how much it'll clock. I can run my stump grinder and it's loud, that diesel. I still could feel my machine. Some guys I've seen on forums are, oh, I wouldn't wear that, whatever. You know what? I wear these. I still feel the vibrations through my hand. I'm still hearing the engine, all right? But it's at a very, very low pitch to where I'm actually in tune with my machine. I know if I'm hitting something. I know if the motor's not running right, okay? I can tell you if I'm not at full RPM or what. They don't block out everything to where you're like totally deaf to the outside. It makes everything extremely tolerable, okay? I've worn these to answer the phone, and my family's been able to hear me, and all I do is, if I want it really clear, I shut off the machine, walk back, and I talk. Otherwise, I can yell back and forth, they can hear me. It has a noise reduction in it. So that's my general thing on it. I say they're good. First guys in the field, right? If it does go sour in a little while, I will tell you if it goes sour. I will tell you later on. You made a mistake. But right now, these are heavier. They feel a lot better built than these, okay? So if you got the little bit extra money, I'll give it a thumbs up, all right? So don't forget, on this, the rules in the description will be there for the sticker. All you gotta do is make a nice comment on it. You list it on there, and by, I think, next Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, I'll run it through a random generator on the computer. It'll pick you, and I'll notify you in a comment right back to you that says, hey, you're a winner, all right? And it's open to anyone in the world, all right? God bless you all. Take care of your family. I'm gonna make a video maybe this weekend on the stump grinding, and for you body guys and all like that. Young guys, I don't care if you're in your 20s, actually I don't care if you just got your first job and you're 15, 16. I'm gonna show you how to put back some money. I mean, it's so easy, it sounds stupid, okay? But it's financial literacy that people don't want to tell you about. It's no magic wand or whatever. It's just simple mathematics that a lot of people don't want to tell you about. I'll tell you, okay? See you on the next one.